Hello everybody, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. So here is the static MCQ series from Polity for English medium IAS aspirants. So consider the following statement regarding fundamental rights. Fundamental rights protect citizens against the ar- arbitrary and absolute exercise of power by the state. The Constitution guaranteed the rights of the individual against the state but not against other individuals. So which of these above statements are correct? The second question is, a parliamentary committee means a committee that is appointed or elected by the House, works under the direction of the Speaker and Chairman, has a secretariat provided by the Cabinet Secretariat. So which of the above statements are correct? The next question is, consider the following statement regarding a president rule in India. President rule is imposed when the government by the state cannot be carried out in accordance with the provision of the Constitution. The imposition of the president rule is approved by the president and does not require the sanction of the parliament. A, a, a proclamation of the president rule may be revoked by the president at any time by the subsequent proclamation without parliamentary approval. So which of the above statements are correct? The next question is, consider the following statement regarding pardoning power of president. The power of pardon shall be exercised by the president on the advice of council of ministers. The president can exercise these powers in all cases where the present punishment or sentence is for an offence against any law relating to a matter to which executive power of the union extends. The original constitution has provided a small window for judicial review of the pardon powers of the president for the purpose of ruling out any arbitrariness. So which of the above statements are correct? And the last question is, Article 310 and 311 of the Constitution, sometimes seen in the news, are concerned with the instruction in mother tongue, election to Rajya Sabha, president power of the pardoning, service condition of the civil services. So this is it. If you want to upload your answers, you can upload your answers along with your name and WhatsApp number on the comment section. I am asking WhatsApp number again and again because I have one WhatsApp group. So if I have all the WhatsApp number of all the aspirants, then I will add to all of you on my WhatsApp, so it will be easy for all the updates. And I will also upload the answers with explanation with PDF files, so you can download these PDF files and make your exam preparation strong and efficient. So thank you so much.